Treated to a gorgeous sunset, and at this hour, 6:11, we're still seeing a little twilight out there in the western sky. And that illustrates the fact that each and every day we're getting to enjoy just a little bit more sunshine. And as we look across the region, clouds are moving in from the north, and we do have a little bit of precipitation pushing out of southern Canada. Look at this, rain in southern Canada from Winnipeg all the way out to Williston. Some of that just kind of leaning down into the northern counties. Out toward Duluth and the Iron Range, we're seeing some flakes of snow as well as some sleet. For us, temperatures look like this. It's coolest to the south, where we have 27 in Fergus Falls, 26 Alexandria, 29 Aberdeen. How about 38? 38 right now in Grand Forks, Roseau 34. However, the last several days we've had temperatures below freezing. So the road, the sidewalk, many of these areas are freezing. And once raindrops fall on those surfaces, it gets slippery. Taking you into the FM area, the radar is picking up a little of precipitation-sized sprinkles up in the clouds, but none of this is reaching the ground. At best, we'll get a little drizzle drop or two out of it. This stuff you see out here in Barnes County and Steele County, that's those wind turbines. They show up frequently on the radar, picks them up, thinks it's raining, thinks it's sleeting in this case, and it's just not the case, so don't worry about it there. Now, up in Grand Forks and Polk counties, just to the north on 29, we have some rain moving through. Concerned about very slippery roads and secondary streets and sidewalks as well in this area this evening as that slight little bit of rain pushes through. Also, Cavalier, Pembina, and Hallock seeing a little sprinkle activity. And Roseau County from Greenbush on 11 all the way up towards Roseau, a chance for some slippery conditions there once again. All right, wind, it's been gusty today. Gusting over 30 miles per hour still in Roseau, 29 mile per hour gusts in Thief River Falls, but that south wind has really warmed us up. And here's a look at Fargo's current conditions. Hector International Airport, 33, winds south 20 miles per hour. So it's been a little wind chilly today, even though the temperatures have really corrected themselves since yesterday. By the 7 to 10 o'clock hour, we'll have that chance of a light freezing drizzle and light freezing rain making its way through the northern counties. Notice temperatures don't change much between now and 10. So steady to slowly falling temperatures, wind still from the south this evening. Then overnight, we head to bed and this precipitation probability or chance moves southward. If you happen to be outside walking the kitty cat at 3:30 in the morning, it does look like there'll be a chance of some freezing drizzle making its way through the region, including the FM area, including Detroit Lakes. So any road and any sidewalk could be very icy as you're stepping out on your way to work or school at 7:25. Be prepared for that. Temperatures, though, will be mild, just below freezing. Heading through the midday hours, we're going to have a west wind tomorrow. Increasing clouds will spill into the region tomorrow, so it's going to be more clouds than sunshine. Through our midday hour, if you're heading out for lunch, it does look like it's going to be temperatures climbing and rising in the early afternoon to near 40 degrees. That's very warm for this time of the year. Once again, freezing drizzle and mist and light flakes of snow possible, mainly across northwest Minnesota throughout the day. And the best chance of any accumulation of ice will be along that Highway 11, Highway 2 corridor and points north. It won't be significantly deep, but it will be significant if you're sliding on it. So please use caution. 37 Fargo at 5 o'clock, coming down from a high that'll be closer to 40. Oaks, same thing, 39 degrees. Gorgeous weather in the mid-30s for most in Lakes Country. Wind from the west or northwest under mostly cloudy skies. Here in the northwest quadrant of Minnesota is where we're going to see the best chance of some freezing drizzle or some flurries of snow. So please be cautious in your travels there. 34 in Grafton on your Friday afternoon. Planning forecast, it's this weekend when our next significant precipitation event moves through late on Saturday. So Saturday daytime flurries in Minnesota. In the night and into Sunday is when we could have a real mix. Mike, it looks like rain for some, sleet for others, and snow. Sunday, temperatures stay mild, but it will be quite icy. Make sure you have that Valley News Live app on your phone to stay up to date with the very latest, no matter where your travels take you.
And tune into you.
All right.
All right, thanks. Later in sports, Bison basketball tonight. Men and women are on the road. We'll preview their games. Up next, enough is enough for a dad who goes online to call out bullies.